Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can grow your own community on Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do first is create your own community. Just enter the name and your credit card information for the subscription, and then you'll be taken to your community page. Now, to grow this community, you can do so in a couple of different ways. First, I'd like to mention that you might be able to market it using ads on different services. You might be able to use Google Ads and buy a certain amount of ads to use or to grow your community. I'm not sure if that is compliant with the guidelines of Skool itself, so you should research that. But if it's not, then you can create your own site where you can link this community, where you can then post the link and advertise that site to people so that they will find it easier and be directed towards your community. Now, if you have a social media following, you can easily just promote your Skool link through there. You'll be able to link it on your social media, for example, in your Instagram description, and you can tell your following to go and join that community if they want, if it is relevant to them. Now, you can also invite people yourself. You can create an email marketing campaign as well if you want people to join your group. If you have a subscription model, that might turn people off from it, so I would recommend going into settings, and while you're modifying the pricing, giving your members a 7-day free trial, which will then enable people to join and see if it fits them, and if it does, then they will be able to go ahead and join your group and subscribe to it if they like it. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It is literally just online marketing. You just need to market it as such. And another method I would like to mention, if you have any related groups or communities on a Skool itself, if there is a community someone else is running that is related to what you want to run, you can communicate with them and ask them if it's okay if you promote your group there. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.